Hi, fellow truck operators. Jeannie here, just bringing you a reminder of good habits to follow when making those tight and difficult right turns at busy intersections. We all know about the gutter-running four-wheelers who just can't seem to wait behind us. They always think it's our fault when they plow into us while we're making a right turn. So, I'd like to go over those basics that we should all follow to help avoid those accidents. Know in advance that you are going to be making a right turn. You need to give yourself at least 100 feet before the intersection to 1. Start with truck and trailer in the right lane. 2. Put on your turn signal. 3. Check your mirror on your left side for traffic. And 4. Proceed slowly. As you near the intersection, make sure you keep your trailer in the right lane, so you are blocking that lane from cars wanting to try to pass you on the right side, as you pull slightly left to swing the truck out and begin the right turn. It is likely that you will need to cross into the oncoming lane of the street you are turning into. If there are vehicles in that lane, just wait for them to move out of the way before you complete your turn. Do not back up. Above all else, exercise this maneuver slowly and under control. I certainly hope this reminder of making sure to block the gutter lane with your trailer when making right turns helps you to avoid collisions. We here at Western Truck Insurance Services are always concerned about your safe driving. Travel with care.
Trucks travel with care. When Western Truck Insurance is there, trucks travel with care.